Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would sit down and share with you some stocking stuffer ideas. I know there are a lot of last minute shoppers out there, so I figured this will be for those of you that have not done your holiday shopping yet or haven't finished your holiday shopping yet. And they are mostly beauty related. So if you're looking for a beauty type of gift for someone, then just keep watching. And my apologies if you can hear my dishwasher in the background. Unfortunately, it is running at the same time that I am filming, so we will just have to deal with it. So the first are a bunch of gift ideas from a brand called Kitsch. They are available online and at Ulta. They are like a hair care, skincare line. First off, these little ornaments, they are silk scrunchies so they don't damage your hair. I've been using them a ton. I love them. They're much more gentle on my brittle, dry hair. And they come in really fun colors. These are grays and greens, and these are like rusts. Really cute, and they also have a little thing if you want to hang it on a tree. So this could be an ornament or a stocking stuffer. They also have this little sample set. It's their mini body bar washes, and inside there are little squares of all of their different body washes that you can try. I think there were a couple that are like exfoliating. Yeah, there's two, and they're all holiday scented. So there's like sugar, butterscotch brulee latte, sugar and spice, hot cocoa, and candy cane ice cream. I tried candy cane yesterday and it smelled so good. Lathered really well, cleaned really well. So if you were looking to like give someone a sampling set, it's a good idea. And then we have some satin pillowcases. These are really good for if you have dry hair. If you have African American hair, these are excellent. We use these for my daughter. I also use these for myself simply because my hair is very dry. It helps to kind of retain moisture and not suck out the moisture at night while I'm sleeping. So these are another really great stocking idea. Okay, from a brand that I love a lot for hair products, this is I Do Care. These are actually like skincare items. You guys all know I love their dry shampoo. I've already discussed it at length, but here is I Do Care Plush Party Buttery Vitamin C Lip Mask. I love lip masks. I use one every single night, and I think it's the only thing that gets me through the winter as far as my lips are concerned. And then this one, which I've used before, and my daughter's actually used it, and they do work, and they're also really cute. They are the Time Out Blemish Patch, and these are the Happy Paws, so they're like paw shape. And they come in different skin tones. There's like deeper colors, lighter colors. So if you want them to stand out or if you don't want them to stand up, there are options in here. And they do help with blemishes. So really cute, especially if you have like a teen, preteen. I just think that's a really cute idea. Beauty Blender always comes out with some gift sets this time of year. This one is the Disc Glow Inferno Essential Set. And you get two of the Beauty Blenders and then one of the Beauty Blender washes and a little cute Beauty Blender stand, which is adorable because they do tend to just roll off your desk. So it's nice to have a stand. I have mine in like a lid. So really cute. And then this one, which has 3 beauty blenders and a cleanser and then like one of those scrubbing pads. This is Turn the Blend Around. These make really great gifts. They would fit in here really nicely. So another idea. From Mary Kay, they came out with some gift sets this year. These are the Vinyl Shine Liquid Lip Sets, and there are 2 different ones. There is the glowing neutral one, and then there's the luminous red. So essentially they are 2 squeezy tube, like shiny lip products, which I haven't tried, but I will be trying a bunch of these products after the holidays when I have time to just kind of like sit down and play with makeup. So here is a fun little lip set from Mary Kay. They also have their Time Wise Repair Lifting Biocellulose Mask Set. So you get several masks. How many do you get? So you get 4 masks in here, and of course buying like holiday sets is a way to save money because they're always discounted. So here's another great option if you love face masks and pampering and self-care. I previously featured the NYX Advent Calendar, but there are a few other options for stockings. There's little ones like these. This one is the Lip Cream Duo. So this is their soft matte lip cream. They're like iconic product that everyone's been loving for almost a decade now. And then the Sweet Treat Gloss Trio. So you've got like a red, a neutral, and a brown. So it's nice that they're not all the same color family. So if you want to try different things, you have different options. We have this candle from Crate & Barrel. They had a lot of holiday festive things, and this one just smells so good. It is balsam and cedar. I love anything that's gonna smell like a Christmas tree because we have to do fake Christmas trees because my husband's allergic to pine. But I just love that smell. It's really pretty, really fancy, beautiful gift idea, and it would fit in a stocking. You just kind of probably have to tuck it in first, all the way at the bottom. Physicians Formula also released some holiday sets this year, but I never saw them anywhere. I didn't see them at CVS. I didn't see them anywhere advertised online or Instagram. So I was really surprised to see that they had some new sets for the holidays. So their holiday set is called the Greatest Hits. And in here you get the Greatest Hits. This is the Butter Bronze Glam Face Palette. So you get a really pretty highlight that I don't think I've seen before, and then several bronzer shades, which is nice, and a blush, but it's like a neutral shade. You get the mascara collection, which is the Rose All Day Mascara, the Butter Mascara, and the Diamond Mascara. And then this one's probably my favorite, the Diamond Collection. So you get a Mineral Wear Diamond Metallic Shadow. This one's actually my favorite. You get one of their Mineral Wear Plumper Glosses, which I love. And you get the Mineral Wear Diamond Mascara. So if you end up getting both sets, you'd get 2 of this mascara. But a really fun way to try things without like investing in buying the full size of each. Next up is chapstick. You guys know I feature these every year. They're the cute little chapstick like gift sets. They either come in like a tree, a snowman, a little stocking like this. Usually they have the holiday scents or they're all candy cane. I mean, I feel like you can never have too many chapsticks and you always need more. So these are really cute to either hang on your tree or stuck in a stocking somewhere. Also, this one is one of my favorite overnight lip products. It's the Total Hydration Vitamin Enriched Lip Night Serum. I've gone through this over and over and over. It's fantastic. I highly recommend. It makes a great addition to a gift that you already have or a little stocking or ornament idea. Some fragrances that are tiny. This is the Taka Mini Ornament Lush Collection. And in here we get Florence and Colette. And I have never smelled either of these, but this is just so cute. Ornament, stocking, either one. And inside you get these tiny little bottles. They're just cute by themselves. Ooh, okay, that one's like floral. Florence is on the floral side. And then we have Colette. A bit more like breezy and natural smelling. So very exciting. And then we have this one from Fracas, Robert Perger of Paris, and this is a Eau de Parfum Rollerball, and I've never tried this one, and I don't know the notes on this one either. These were sent to me, so I am very curious. I'm a little bit picky when it comes to fragrances, but this is really nice packaging. Oh, this takes me back. Calvin Klein Eternity. That's what it smells like. This is what my grandmother used to wear, and then she gave it to me when I was like a teenager, and then I wore it for a while. It smells so much like that. So it's a little bit more of a mature scent than I go for. I usually go for something sweet, fruity, vanilla, coffee. But it's nice. It's like a more mature, elevated scent. But I think perfumes make great stocking stuffers. They're not on the cheap side, but they're small. We have some gift sets from Merrill Norman, which I don't feel like many people talk about on YouTube. They have some really beautiful products. I really enjoy some of their lip products. Their blushes are really nice, some of their finishing powders. So this one is the Merrill Norman Magical Lip Set, and you get a lipstick and a lip liner in here. It's a really nice formula, so again, slips right in easily, fits into a stocking. And then we have the Magical Cheek Set, and you get a cheek, a highlight, and a cheek. So you get 2 blushes and a powder highlighter, which is nice, and this double-ended brush. I love getting brushes along with my products because then you know exactly how you're supposed to apply them. They provide the applicator. Winky Lux is a brand that I recently kind of started trying out more, and this one's really cute. It's the dessert bar. So like each lip product has 3 tones, you know, like a Neapolitan ice cream would be chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry. And that's pretty much what it is. There's the Neapolitan balm, the sorbet balm, and the affogato balm, which I'm not familiar with that, but it might be like, okay, so it tells you on here, the Neapolitan balm is a sheer pink tint, the sorbet balm is a berry pink tint, and the affogato is a sheer nude tint. I wonder if they smell like the ice creams. It smells vaguely like vanilla. All right, let me try another one. No, this one doesn't smell. The other one smelled faintly like vanilla, but the sorbet one does not smell like sorbet. And this one's the affogato one. Oh, it's green. It's brown, white, and green. Interesting. I don't know if I want green tint on my lips, but This one smells like coffee, so they are scented. Interesting. It's a really strong coffee scent, actually. And since there's green on one side, you just want to make sure you swirl it around to get the nude tint and not the green tint on the lips, because I don't think green would be that flattering. Next, we have some gift products from Jane Iredale. I love a lot of products from them. There's a beautiful like bronzer highlighter palette that I really like from them. Their hyaluronic glosses are amazing. Their shadow palettes are really nice. This one is the Finishing Touches Makeup Kit. And in here you get one of those glosses I was talking about, which I love. The Smooth Affair Illuminating Glow Face Primer, which I do use. And the Beyond Lash Mascara, which I don't remember what I thought of this one, but I will be trying it again shortly because I want to try some of these things after I film this and see if I still love them or if they're new, if I love them at all. So a really nice set. They also have the Finishing Touches Face Palette, which I have tried this one. You get 2 bronzers, so you get like a shimmery one and a matte one. You get 2 shimmery blushes and then 2 highlights, and the highlights are very gold, so it didn't work for me, but the blushes worked and the bronzer was on the warm side. So I'd say this is probably catering to more of like a medium skin tone, but still you get like 3 of their products all in one. So if you haven't tried them and you want to, it's a great way to try all 3. And finally, we have some little gift ideas from Burt's Bees. Of course, there's like the multi-pack for their chapstick products. Again, these are like holiday scents. There's cranberry spritz, shortbread cookie, salted caramel, and peppermint. They also have the like hand cream trios, which are great teacher gifts as well. And then they have ones that like combine the two, like this one. This is the Hive Favorites, the watermelon one. It is watermelon lip balm and then body lotion. Or there's just, you know, other varieties of their multi-packs of their lip products. So I would say between all of these options, if you're looking for a scented product, we had some suggestions for that. Makeup products, we had some suggestions for that. We didn't have as much skincare this time. We had some Mary Kay things. We had some lotions, hair products, you know, those satin scrunchies are fantastic. So those are just some of my suggestions for items that would go in a stocking of someone that enjoys beauty, skincare, hair care. Hope you guys enjoyed these ideas. Let me know if you've picked up any of them down below. I'd love to hear it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Happy holidays.